Across the vast continent of Africa, ancient spiritual traditions teach a profound truth that a divine order underpins the cosmos, and our greatest purpose is to live in harmony with it and with each other. In the heart of Igbo land, this concept is known as Omenala. It is the sacred law and customs that guide the community. Each individual possesses a chi, a personal spirit, and by living a life of integrity and respect, one honors their chi and maintains the delicate balance of the community. The actions of one ripple through the whole, reinforcing the communal bond that sustains divine order. The Akan people of Ghana perceive a world animated by Nyam, the supreme creator. This divine order is upheld through harmony, symbolized by the dwarf, or wooden comb, representing beauty and cleanliness, both within and without. The Akan also embrace Sankofa, the wisdom of learning from the past to build a better future, ensuring that the community remains rooted in the lessons of the ancestors to maintain its cohesion and strength. In the ancient civilization of Kemet, or Egypt, the ultimate principle was Ma'at. Represented by a feather, Ma'at is the embodiment of truth, justice, balance, and cosmic order. To live in Ma'at was the highest calling, guiding every aspect of life from a pharaoh's decree to a farmer's prayer. It was understood that every action, every word, and every thought contributed to, or detracted from, the universal harmony. From the Igbo to the Akan to the people of Kemet, we see a shared understanding that humanity, nature, and the divine are deeply interconnected. Our lives are part of a grand, cosmic design, and through community, respect, and living with integrity, we play our vital role in upholding the divine order. If this exploration resonated with you, please like, comment with your thoughts, and subscribe for more journeys into ancient wisdom.